So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here for another video. Today I am going to show you the dry painting from my previous video. And let me tell you, it's gorgeous. I love the colors, love the brightness, so cheerful, the energy that just kind of runs throughout this painting is amazing. And I'm going to show you that right now. So take a look at Skittles. Isn't she gorgeous? I love it. It dried absolutely perfect. Look at that. Check her out. Look how gorgeous. Tell me what you think about this painting. I have to say it's probably one of my favorite color combos when it comes to bright colors. So look at her. She's gorgeous. I love it. And you can sit it any orientation you like. So if you're interested, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com for this beauty. I am going to work on the same color palette, but on a black base. I want to see if I turn this into a diptych, and I want to compare the two color bases against the flow of colors on top. And if you have any questions or any ideas of what is going to look or what you would prefer, leave your comments in the comment section below. I would also appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, support my channel, come alongside of me and create on this creative journey that we embark here at Flood Arts by Elsa. So I am super happy with this one. I am also working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. So the size of the canvas will be the same. The color palette is going to be the same. It's just going to be on a black base. So which is your favorite? Let's take a look. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are. We are working again on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I am moving it a little more into frame for you. And we're working with Oxide Black by Amsterdam. So I am going to put my gloves on. And we are going to begin by flooding our canvas. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to go ahead and flood the canvas. Okay, everyone, so my colors are down. I'm going to move this light so that it's not reflecting there. Okay, so colors are down. My base is flooded. As you can see, I went along the side and I painted easier my sides with a little brush. So that's ready to go. And I see a lot better coverage on my edges, on the sides, around my canvas. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the colors down. And I am going to be starting with Oprah Rose by Winsor & Newton. Again, I made a slight change because I'm working on black. I can use the pearl colors. So next to the yellow, the red, green, or blue, I'm going to have the pearl blue. But I'll show you as I go. I have one thing to mention is I always tend to put a lot of base color down or base paint. I am trying to cut back a little bit and not putting as much base down so I don't have a lot of wasted. Today I did good, not a lot of wasted paint. On this side I did have a lot, so I got to put a little less. Just so you are aware since I have new viewers. So we're starting with Oprah Rose by Winsor & Newton. And I'm going to follow the same color or design that I previously had. So I can kind of turn it into a diptych. So I am going to begin. Let's see. right over here. So just like that. And then I went from here over here, and from here over here. I think that's how it went. My next color is, I'll do the pearl first. So I'm going to do Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. I see a little fuzz in there. So Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. And again, I am using the pearl because now with the black base, it is going to show. Okay. So Pearl Yellow. And now I'm using the Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. So still a little bit of this yellow on top. Just like that. I love it. I already love the colors. This is by far one of my favorites, I think. Now I have Pearl Red by Amsterdam. And you see these pearl colors are going to show up white as I put them down, because once I fan them out, then they show up with the black base. So red, and now I have Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor and Newton. Okay, love it. I wonder which is my favorite. I have no idea yet. My next color is 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Yeah, I wonder which will be your favorite. The black base or the white base. Try and guess and see which one you like. So leave your comments. Next, I have Pearl Green by Amsterdam. Okay. And now I have Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam. I love that color. I love the greens. I'm thinking of doing a series, a painting series, using only 2 colors instead of different colors on the top, just like 2 shades. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Tell me if you like to see that, or if you have any other suggestions, also comment that. And now I have Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. I think I have a lot of paint here. I hope it does a lot of color. Love it. I also wonder, what would a swipe look like if I did just this and just swiped it? That would be interesting. What do you think? And then I have on top Ice Blue by DecoArt. I love this color. So tell me what you think about the swipe idea. I think that would be nice too. I'm going color happy here. Maybe too much. Okay. Those are my colors and it looks divine. I love it. Let me torch out the air bubbles. And we shall begin. Let's see what happens. And I think, again, I'm going to start right. Yeah. I'm going to start up that way. So I'm going to start that way. Or maybe this. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go. wow, wow. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep, I think I like this too. Wow, look how rich. Love the colors. I'm going to take some colors off here because it's just too close for my liking. Right in that corner so the colors don't touch. But this is amazing. I love it. And remember what I tell you guys, this is your painting. So tweak it, change it, do whatever you need to so that you're happy with what you did. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here because I want some more of that black negative space right in here. So I'm going to use my napkin to kind of take some of that paint off on that center. And I can create a negative space right in here. I need to open that space up. I'm looking for a palette knife. So I can come in with the black. I love it. Okay, I think that works for me. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm bringing in, I created a separation here and I added more black. Wow, 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 this is gorgeous. I love it. Maybe I just put too much colors down, but I couldn't help myself. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna clean up my edges and we'll be right back to show you the wet result. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and look at this beauty. Look at these colors. They're just bursting out of this canvas. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. I'm going to start down here. So take a look at those ginormous cells. Gorgeous. Look at the colors. All my colors are showing up here. And then those ridges or the edges of the petals have some of that 24 karat gold and some of that pearl colors that will show up when this beauty dries. Look at those, like I said, gigantic cells. Look at that webbing and lacing in there, right in here. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous how it fans out, and then it just creates such a powerful edge. Striking visual effect. And look at the river of colors here. It's a stream of colors. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the shine blanketing the base. So that definitely will shimmer once it dries. And look at that petal. Wow. Look at that lacing, beautiful webbing in there. And then all my colors just showing up to this party. Absolutely beautiful. And then lastly here, look at that. Look at that. What a beauty. Tell me if you like this one, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I appreciate you. Look at this. Wow. I'm just loving this color palette. Look at this. Beautiful. Maybe I should try this same color palette with a different base. What do you suggest, guys? What base color should I try with my color palette sitting right here? Tell me what you think. What should I try next with the same color palette? Maybe I could do a series of just the same color palette on top of different bases. Tell me what you think about that, guys. Leave your comments. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.